Hello, financial enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered how a three-digit number can significantly influence your financial opportunities and life decisions? That's right, we're talking about credit scores. A credit score, in essence, is a numerical expression that represents your creditworthiness. It's a bit like a financial report card, summing up how well you've managed your money and debts. Typically, these scores range from 300 to 850. The higher your score, the better your credit health. Now, you might be wondering who's behind these scores. The answer lies with credit bureaus, agencies like Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. These entities collect data about your financial history and use it to calculate your credit score. But how do they do it? Well, it's all based on a formula that takes into account several factors. These include your payment history, the amount of debt you owe, the length of your credit history, the types of credit you use, and how often you apply for new credit. Each of these factors carries a different weight in the calculation. A good credit score, in the 700s or higher, signifies that you're a responsible borrower. It can open up a world of financial opportunities like favorable loan terms and lower interest rates. On the other hand, a poor score, typically anything below 600, can make it difficult to secure loans or might result in higher interest rates. So why is this important? Because your credit score is not just a number, it's a reflection of your financial behavior. It can affect your ability to buy a house, start a business, or even get a job. It's a key element that lenders, landlords, and sometimes even employers look at when deciding whether to take a financial risk on you. So, understanding your credit score is the first step in mastering your financial health. But how does this affect your life decisions? Let's dive deeper. Enjoying this content? Don't miss out on future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us. Now you may ask, why should I care about my credit score? Well, it's simple. It can open or close financial doors for you. Let's dive into the world of credit scores and the opportunities they unlock. Picture your credit score as a financial CV. The higher it is, the more attractive you become to potential lenders. It's like having an A+ on a report card in the world of finance. Now let's discuss loan approvals. A good credit score is often the key to getting your loan application approved. Whether you're dreaming of owning a home, starting a business, or buying a car, lenders will scrutinize your credit score before deciding to give you a loan. A high score sends a clear message: you're reliable, and you pay your bills on time. It's like a golden ticket, paving the way for your dreams to become reality. But it's not just about getting approved. Your credit score also affects the terms of your loans, specifically your interest rates. Here's where it gets interesting. Lenders use your credit score to determine the level of risk they're taking by lending you money. If your score is high, they see you as low risk and you get rewarded with lower interest rates. Think of it this way. Every percentage point drop in your interest rate is money saved. Over the lifespan of a long-term loan like a mortgage, this can add up to tens of thousands of dollars. That's a substantial saving, right? So a high credit score doesn't just unlock doors, it also keeps your hard-earned money in your pocket. Now, let's talk about credit limits. These are the maximum amounts a credit card company or lender is willing to let you borrow. Your credit score plays a crucial role here too. With a high score, lenders are more likely to offer you a higher credit limit. This can be particularly useful in emergencies or when planning significant expenditures. But it's not just about borrowing more. A high credit limit can also boost your credit score. Sounds a bit like a financial paradox, doesn't it? But it's true. The lower your credit utilization ratio, which is the ratio of your outstanding balance to your credit limit, the better it is for your credit score. In essence, a good credit score acts as a passport to better financial opportunities. It's your key to loan approvals, lower interest rates, and higher credit limits. It's a tool that, when used wisely, can help you achieve your financial goals and dreams. So a good credit score can save you money and provide you with better financial options, but that's not all. Your credit score can also influence your life decisions. Beyond the financial world, your credit score can also play a role in your life decisions. You might be surprised to know how. When it comes to housing opportunities, your credit score is a big deal. Whether you're renting or buying, landlords and lenders alike want to know that they can count on you to make payments on time. A low credit score can limit your options, potentially leaving you in less desirable neighborhoods or with higher interest rates. On the other hand, a high credit score can open doors to better housing opportunities, lower interest rates, and more negotiating power. Your credit score can also impact your career prospects. While not all employers check credit scores, some do, especially for positions that involve handling money or sensitive financial information. A poor credit score might be interpreted as a sign of financial irresponsibility, which could make employers hesitate to hire you. Conversely, a good credit score can demonstrate financial reliability, potentially making you a more attractive candidate. Now, here's a curveball. Your credit score can even influence your romantic relationships. Discussing financial matters, including credit scores, is becoming more common among couples. A low credit score could lead to disagreements or stress in a relationship, especially if you're planning a future together that includes major financial decisions like buying a house or starting a family. But it's not all doom and gloom. The good news is that you have control over your credit score. By paying your bills on time, keeping your credit utilization low, and regularly checking your credit report for errors, you can maintain or improve your credit score. It's never too late to start building good credit habits. Remember, your credit score is more than just a number. It's a snapshot of your financial health at a given point in time. It tells potential landlords, lenders, employers, and even romantic partners whether you're financially responsible or not. A good credit score can open doors to better opportunities, while a poor one can close them. Yes, life is full of many decisions. Some are small, like what to have for breakfast, while others are big, like where to live or work. But one thing's for sure. Your credit score can influence many of these decisions, often in ways you might not expect. So, let's treat our credit scores with the importance they deserve. Let's make sure we're not just focused on the here and now, but also on the future. Because, like it or not, our credit scores will be there, influencing our opportunities and decisions. As you can see, your credit score is not just a number. It's a reflection of your financial health that can significantly impact your life decisions. So, we've seen how a credit score, a simple 3-digit number, can influence your life in ways you might not have imagined. It's not just a number, it's a financial passport that can open up a world of opportunities or close doors if not taken care of properly. Over the course of our discussion, we've delved into the profound impact a credit score can have on your financial opportunities. It can dictate whether or not you're eligible for that dream loan, how high your interest rates might soar, and even the terms and conditions that come with your credit card. Your credit score can be the key to a new home or car, or it can be the stumbling block that keeps those dreams just out of reach. We've also uncovered how credit scores can influence life decisions, both big and small. From deciding where to live to determining your lifestyle choices, your credit score weaves its way into many aspects of your life. It can be the deciding factor in landing a desirable rental property or even a job offer in certain industries. But here's the good news. Your credit score isn't set in stone. With careful financial management, you can improve your score over time. Pay your bills on time, keep your credit utilization low, and don't apply for new credit too frequently. And remember, regularly checking your credit report for errors can also make a big difference. In conclusion, credit scores are more than just numbers. They're a reflection of your financial health. A healthy score can open doors, while a less than stellar one can close them. Remember, your credit score is your financial passport. Keep it healthy, and it will open doors for you. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Stay financially savvy, and see you in our next video.